Day I discovered that I'm bleeding, and I was so worried. I started crying very badly because if you are bleeding, it simply means that miscarriage. Search in Google what is brown discharge. Is it like good to have this or not? Ma'am, this is the scenario, this is happening. She said just come to my hospital immediately, it's an emergency. This is the reason that you're bleeding, so don't worry. Everything was fine. There is a little issue about my blood flow, which has also in my previous pregnancy. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karishma and today's video is going to be very special. If you are searching for the video like bleeding after 3 months, you will not get any video because when I was searching during that time, I couldn't find a single video which helps me throughout my journey. Yes, I am pregnant and it's my 6th month running, and I have faced a lot of difficulties during my 4th month. It was like the end of the 3 month and starting was the 4th month. On the day of, like when I've completed my 3 months, I've get up early in the morning and I have seen spotting, and I started crying a lot in the morning 5 o'clock because I have never experienced these things before. Actually, I have a 4-year-old boy, and during that pregnancy I did not find anything like this. There was no such bleeding that time, but this is my second pregnancy, and you know what, the day when I've completed my 3rd month and I had to go for my NT scan, on the same day I discovered that I'm bleeding, and I was so worried. I started crying very badly because I also have the same mindset that if you are bleeding, it means you're like doing miscarriage. Those days were very difficult. Obviously I did not create video that time because I was not in that position, but now luckily I'm happy. My baby is perfectly fine. I have recently done my anomaly scan and everything is okay. His weight is okay, my placenta is okay, everything is perfectly fine. So that is why I'm creating this video. There is one more purpose of creating this video, that generally we all have this tendency that if you are spotting, if you are bleeding, it simply means that miscarriage. But no, sometimes it's not. Sometimes even doctor could not find the accurate reason. So yeah, let's begin with this story. What was happened? The same day when I find out that I was spotting, I directly went for my NT scan. I had to go obviously. So early morning I just took the appointment, and early morning I took the appointment. I went to the doctor and everything was, very fine, perfectly fine. There was no such issue. My placenta was not even on low lying, it was anterior, and baby was fine. It was like moving, heartbeat there, movement also there. Everything is just like a normal NT scan. There was no such issue with that. So I was so happy. Okay, whatever has happened, it's okay, but there is no such relation with miscarriage. I just give this word to myself, and I went to the doctor for checking those reports. When I was coming from that doctor, when I went to the doctor, I asked her that what was the reason. She said maybe it's because of the hormones, the progesterone level. So she just at the same time she gave me one injection, that is for progesterone. Only one injection she advised, and she gave me at the same time. And I was coming from the home. While I was coming from the home, I started again like spotting. I again worried, why is it happening? Why is it happening? I called my doctor at the same time that, ma'am, it's again happening. It's not like a one spot, it is continue. The amount is not really big, but it was like the normal red blood which we often see during our menstruation. So that day I was so scared. I came back to home and I just take some rest, and I have feel that on that day, even on another day, it was like for 2-3 days continue. After that, suddenly I've seen that I'm having like brown discharge. I've searched in Google what is brown discharge. Is it like good to have this or not? So I have tried to find out a lot of videos, but I couldn't find a single video about that, because everyone is saying like if you are bleeding before 3 months, it's normal. It may be an implantation bleeding, but if you are bleeding after 3 months, it's something serious. You should consult with your doctor right away. So I was really worried about that time. The 4th month was very serious for me. The whole month, it was like a huge pressure on my mind that what to do. I just, my the whole pregnancy happiness was, turned out a nightmare. Like, I was not finding the like what to do, how to get rid of this problem, brown discharge. Whenever it happened, I just called to my doctor. She just gave me some medicines and prescribed some medicine. After that, I changed my doctor because of not getting satisfied. So again, I've chosen another doctor. She instantly gave me 4 or 5 progesterone injection after each week. Also, she gave me some other medicines which have some powerful effect as compared to the previous one. And after taking them, not really. Again, like, days were passing, like brown discharge was happening for quite some time, and then suddenly one day I have seen the red discharge with white mucus, and it was red. I again called my doctor. It was like around 4 months, yeah, when the 4 month was completed. I tell her that, ma'am, this is the scenario, this is happening. She said, just come to my hospital immediately. It's an emergency. I got so scared because that time I was at my mother's place and she was not actually well, and I was taking care of her. And I could not come here for the treatment. Like, I live in Gurgaon and my mother-in-law used to live in Delhi. So at any cost, I couldn't come. So I asked her that, please, ma'am, give me online consultancy. I'll pay you and tell me the solutions, what I have to do. She said, go and immediately do a scan. I went for scanning. Then I got to know that my placenta was low lying. It was not showing in my 3rd month in NT scan, but in the 4th month, just for checking the well-being of baby, I had another ultrasound, and in that ultrasound I got to know that it was like low lying placenta. Maybe the reason is this, but it was going up. It was showing in the 4th month of pregnancy that it was low lying, but it was going up. So maybe by the 5th or 6th month it will go up. So my doctor suggested me the complete bed rest, that you should take complete bed rest for a month at least, and then it may automatically go up, and this is the reason that you are bleeding. So don't worry, otherwise everything will be fine. There is a baby movement there, and everything was like perfect, no issues. And then you know what, I have also experienced a sharp pain in my inside, and it was like very sharp, and still I'm feeling that pain, that pressure which generally a woman feels in their 8th or 9th month. I'm feeling right now, even in the 5th month of pregnancy. Now 6th month is running. I think on 6th of March I'll be in my 7th month. So it was happen, and you know what, I faced a lot of difficulties during that time. My doctor suggested me some more injections also, that is for like not to which prevent premature birth. I took 4 injections for that, and they were like very very painful, and I took those injections also. It restrict or it prevent the premature birth. And also I'm taking medicines like Conceival tablet, Ditrabone. These tablets are very costly, but I'm taking these tablets just for the precautionary purpose. But now I'm perfectly fine. My anomaly scan was done. My baby weight was 400 grams. I'll put all the screenshots here, so that you can also see and check what are the reports, what are the things which I'm telling you. And yeah, in anomaly scan, the baby weight is 430 grams. And everything was fine. There is a little issue about my blood flow, which has also in my previous pregnancy, and it was really huge in my first pregnancy. But this time it's normal. It can be managed at this stage. I don't know what will be happen on the later stage, but till now we can manage. So I've started an aspirin for that, and yeah, this is how now I'm feeling happy, and I start enjoying my pregnancy again. And so guys, the purpose of making this video is only even to start this channel only is one. When you bleed, you start worrying, and just because of that stress you may create more problems for yourself. So do not take that stress, because I took that stress and I faced a lot of difficulties during those days. Even while walking, I faced so many difficulties. I could not even able to walk. Maybe it's because of my extra stress which I was taking, because of that fear in my mind that I may miscarriage after 3 months. It's not really a good idea to miscarry after 3 months of pregnancy. So but now I'm happy. So you guys don't worry, just consult with your doctor. Do not take extra pressure on your mind. If you will pressurize your mind, if you will think in a negative way, maybe the things will be like negative. So be positive always, be strong always, face each and every situation, and you should be strong only in those situations. Do not, do not feel nervous. This is all for today. And yeah, if you like this video, if this video helped in any way, just like this video and subscribe my channel. It's a new channel, and trust me guys, you will get a lot more videos of these kinds on my channel, because I have a full pregnancy experience like one experience, and second I'm going through, so I'm gonna share all those experience to you with you on this channel. So thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.